So the first thing we're going to do to this panel is clay bar. What that's going to do is it's going to pull out all the contaminants that are in the paint, so that when we buff, we're actually buffing the paint and not just buffing off the contaminants first. So first thing you're going to do is spray the panel down, and then you're just going to get the clay. And just clay, pretty simple. It's going to make a light scratching noise. You're not scratching, it's just pulling all the contaminants out of the paint. If done right, you can usually see this paint isn't in bad shape, but you can see it is a little bit dirty right here on the clay. And then once you just wipe that panel down, there's going to be no contaminants in the paint. You're also going to be able to feel it because it's going to be way smoother than how it was originally.